available to Liverpool fans, buy two, get two. If you're a Manchester United fan, there's a 1-1 discount going on. Buy one, get one. 1-1, if you know what I'm talking about. Shout out to all the football fans out there. Let me see, Joe, will they be showing any games here tonight?
Very quickly, yeah, Chelsea will be playing Aston Villa away.
Okay.
So, of course, just like a sweet, smooth, small chops,
Yeah.
you know, laced with a mixed flavor of
Yeah.
honey, you know, with some dodo, you know, and all that. It's going to be victory, by the way.
I feel you.
Oh, blimey.
All this for football.
All this for football. All right, we're here to keep you guys informed on all the things happening, making sure all the vendors are sold out. The beautiful, lovely Amiola is here with me. How are you?
I'm fantastic, gang. How are you?
I'm great. I was going to say you look hungry.
I am hungry.
You are.
I'm always hungry.
So she needs something to eat. On that note, shout outs to Rams and Beer. Immediately I walked in, Joe told me Rams and Beer are here doing what they do best. And I told him it's impossible. I've not had Rams and Beer, but since they're here at the GTCO Food and Drink Festival promoting enterprise, I'm definitely going to check them out. So many vendors here, so many people here to buy your commodities. So make sure you do your best and you go home empty-handed. We're counting down to the next masterclass. That will be the last masterclass for today, and that is with Robin McBride. And Robin McBride's masterclass is about uncorking your wine potential. Now, Amiola is a wine girl, I'm right?
Definitely, I'm a wine girl.
Red or white wine?
White.
White, right?
White.
Sweet or?
Nah, not sweet.
Not sweet. Now that's a wine girl for you. She's shaped like a bottle of wine as well.
I'm a black girl that loves white wine.
Yeah, okay, a black girl that loves white wine.
That's
quite
it.
interesting. So many vendors, but a quick announcement. We have a lady, I don't know if she's missing, but her friend came here looking for her. Christy Chukudi. Christy Chukudi, your friend Chidima is looking for you. So if you can come to the radio booth, Christy Chukudi, I heard you have a bun in the oven. So your friend Chidima is looking for you at the radio booth.
All right, we have so many vendors out here who